Hello everyone, once again welcome to the channel of TKG Physics classes. And so these students, this is our lecture number 4 for your third chapter, that is current electricity. And in this chapter we will discuss our topic name, that is color code of carbon resistors. This is a very important part for your board as well as for practical purpose. Here we find out the value of resistance for a resistors using color code. So before knowing color code, at first you have to know what is carbon resistors. So students, mainly in commercial purpose, for example for doing an experiment in your lab, for making an instrument for scientific purpose, we use two types of resistors, and they are this one, wire bound resistors, first one, and second one, that is carbon resistors. Now first one, that is wire bound resistors. These types of resistors is made with the help of some alloy. And for example, this is first one manganese, second nichrome, and third one constantan. For short form you can say MCN. With the help of MCN we can made these types of resistors, that is called wire bound resistors. Now question is, why we use these types of alloy? Because the advantage of using these types of alloy has a very specific properties, that is their resistivity is nearly independent on temperature. This one, resistivity is independent of temperature. Now question is, why? If their resistivity is independent of temperature, what is the advantage of it? Suppose you are doing an experiment and you measuring current through a wire. So when you doing an experiment and you measuring current through a wire, suppose the wire resistance increases, so your exact value, your exact current result remains wrong. Now question is, why resistance increases? Resistance increases because when current flowing through a wire, when current flowing through a conductor, the wire automatically heated up. This is known as heating effect of current. And when wire heated up, that means the temperature increases, and when temperature increases, their resistivity increases as well as their resistance value increases. So when their resistance value increases, the value of current becomes wrong. So for this purpose, when the value of current make it perfect, we have to use some types of materials which has no dependence of resistance, no dependence of temperature on its resistivity. And these types of alloy is known as this one, manganese, nichrome, and constantan. This type of alloy has a special properties, that is resistivity independent on temperature. So this is the advantage of using this MCN. Now there is another big disadvantage of using this part, and the disadvantage is large length is required for making this high resistance. For using these types of resistors, we cannot make high resistance. For making high resistance, we required large length of wire, and that is expensive for us. So this is the disadvantage. Now second one, is that is carbon resistors. For using carbon resistors, there are several disadvantages. Point 1, this one, they make very high value of resistors. The range, the value of range of resistors, that's very high. We can make few ohms to several millions ohms using carbon resistors. Okay, and the second one, this one is cheap and compact. That is, this size is too small. This size is very small. This size is too small that we cannot we cannot make the resistance value on it. So for finding the resistance value for carbon resistors, we use the color code system. This one, the color code system. Now here we have to know what is color code and how to measure the color code, how to measure the resistance using a color code for a carbon resistors. Okay, write it down first. Suppose there is a register, suppose this one, and in this register there are 4 color coding. This one's 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a 4 coaxial color code. Now there are some rules. First band, you can say this is band or rings. First band is represent the number, first band and second band also, first band and second band both are represent magnitude value, both are represent magnitude value, or you can say significant figure. Now third one, this one, third band is represent order of magnitude, or you can say this is multiplier. And fourth one, final one, this is the fourth band, and fourth band is represent tolerance. What is tolerance? Tolerance means the variation in percentage from a given value. That means this is the range, you can say, for measurement resistance from fixed value to range. Okay, now make a table at first. Suppose this is the color, second you write this is number, and third you write multiplier. Okay, first number, right, first black, second brown, third red, fourth orange, fifth yellow, sixth green, seventh blue, eighth violet, ninth grey, and 10th, that is white. Now for black write the number 0, for brown 1, for red 2, for orange 3, for yellow 4, for green write it 5, for blue 6, for violet 7, for grey 8, and for white 9. Similarly write the multiplier. This is 10 to the power 0, for 1 that is 10 to the power 1, for 2 that is 10 to the power 2, for 3 same 10 to the power 3. In this way this is 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, this one is 10 to the power 6, this one is 10 to the power 7, for 8 10 to the power 8, and for 9 that is 10 to the power 9. Now there is another band which is named as fourth band. Now for fourth band there is 3 colors mainly, for gold, silver, and third one that is no color. For gold the tolerance value that is plus minus 5%, for silver plus minus 10%, and for no color tolerance value plus minus 20%. You have to memorize this table. Now you know the formula, you know the basic rules, that is for first and second band is represent the magnitude, third band is represent the order of magnitude, and fourth band is represent tolerance. Now take an example. Suppose first band they are given a carbon core carbon register. First color is given yellow, second color is given green, this is green, third color given, this one is brown, and fourth color given gold. Now you have to find out the resistance value using this color code, and you know the formula, you know the rules. There is for first band you have to use number. You just check first band yellow, for yellow the number is 4. So first one is 4. Now for second that is given green. For second band the also you have to use number. Green, that is number is 5. So this one is 5. Now for third band you have to use multiplier. You just check third band given brown, and for brown 1, that is multiplier 10 to the power 1. So this one becomes 10 to the power 1 plus minus, that is gold, and for gold tolerance plus minus 5%. So this value is 450 ohm plus minus 5%. Okay. Simple rule, first and second band is represent the number, and third band is represent the multiplier, and fourth band is represent the tolerance. Okay. Let us take another example. Suppose this band, this value is given for first, that is given green, for second that is given suppose yellow, for third this one is given blue, this one is blue, and fourth this one is given silver. Solve it. Solve. You know the formula. So solve it. At first try yourself. So for first G, that means we have to use green. G for green, first one. This one is green value is 5. So there is 5. Now for second yellow, you know the value of yellow, that is 4. So this one becomes 4. Now for third band you have to use multiplier. So third band is blue, and for blue multiplier number 6 multiply 10 to the power 6, and plus minus there is silver. Silver means 10% tolerance. So this value becomes 54 into 10 to the power 6 ohm plus minus 10% tolerance. You just check here, the magnitude value is 10 to the power 6. That means we can say this is mega ohm. So using this color carbon resistors, we can make a large range of resistance value. Okay. Okay, let's take another example, last one. Suppose first value given red, second value given violet, third value given white, and fourth band there is no color, just band given. So you know the formula, for red that is 2, for violet number that is 7. Now for third white, and for white you have to use multiplier, that is 10 to the power 9 plus minus, there is no color. When there is no color, that means tolerance maximum 20%. So this value 27 into 10 to the power 9 ohm plus minus 20%. You just check, the order becomes more, that is 10 to the power 9. So in this way, using color we can find out the value of resistance. Okay. Now question is how to memorize this table, how to memorize the order of this color. So for memorizing the order of this color, we have to use one sentence, and the sentence is, write it down fast. The sentence is, B.B. Roy is a great Britain, is a great Britain, had a very good wife. You just memorize this sentence. Okay. So first B is represent black, second B is represent brown, R is represent red, O is represent orange, Y is represent yellow, this capital G is represent green, this B is represent blue, this V is represent violet, this G is represent grey, and this W is represent white. So you just memorize this sentence, and you have to memorize there is 3 B, 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 B. First B is represent black, second B is represent brown, and third one is represent blue. You have to memorize this one. And there is another 2 G, G and G. First G is represent green and second G is represent grey. And in this way we can memorize this table, and you know the sequence of number 0 to 9 and the corresponding multiplier, that is 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power 9. Okay. Now let us take one example, one problem related to this carbon code color register. Suppose problem given, current I, that is 2 milliampere, is flowing through a carbon code color registers. This amount of current is flowing through a carbon code color registers, and this carbon code color ring or band, the color given, first color suppose given yellow, second color suppose given green, and third color suppose given orange. Here you have to find out, the question is you have to find out voltage drop across it. You have to find out V. So at first we have to find out R, resistance, using this color code, and you know the formula. For Y value is 4, this is Y 4. For G, G means green, that is value is 5, and for orange you have to use the multiplier, orange that means 3 multiplier 10 to the power 3. So the resistance value is 45 into 10 to the power 3. Now you just use the Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri, R 45 into 10 to the power 3, and I, that is 2 milli, that is 2 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the plus 3 minus 3 cancel out, 45 into 2, that is 90 volt. So students, these types of problem and this theory is very important for your board as well as for your practical purpose. And I think this theory part is clear to all of you. If there is any problem, let me know through this comment section, tell me. And if this channel is helpful for you, if this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, with your juniors. Till then, bye bye, stay happy, continue your study.